Have you ever seen a classic car so bold, so powerful, that it feels like a time machine from America's golden automotive era? Now imagine this, a full-size Chevrolet with a W series, big block engine, 348 cubic inches, a car that didn't just cruise the roads, it dominated them. Today, we're talking about a machine that blended luxury, muscle, and pure 1950s attitude. This isn't just any Chevy. This is the 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air 348, a legend that helped reshape American car culture. Stay with me, because the deeper we go into its story, the more you'll realize why collectors go crazy for this forgotten beast. Welcome back to Car Og 765, your destination for classic car stories, hidden facts, and automotive icons that shaped America. If you love vintage machines, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because today's car is something truly special. The 1958 Bel Air came at a time when Chevrolet wanted to prove that performance and style could live in the same body. The company was facing fierce competition from Ford and Chrysler, and 1958 was the year they introduced something completely new, the 348 big block engine. This wasn't just another V8, it was Chevy's first production big block, designed to deliver power, torque, and reliability for the modern American driver. Let's travel back to the late 1950s. Roads were wider, America was booming, and people wanted cars that showed confidence. Chevrolet responded with a longer, lower, and heavier Bel Air. The body had a one-year-only styling, chrome everywhere, wider grille, quad headlights, and a look that instantly said, "This car means business." Now let's talk about the real secret weapon, the 348 engine. Chevrolet offered it in multiple power levels, starting from around 250 horsepower, going all the way up to 315 horsepower with the triple carbureted, Tri Power, setup. This engine was known for its unique, W-shaped, valve covers, deep-throated exhaust note, and torque that could easily pull a trailer or launch the car down the highway with authority. For 1958, this was serious performance. And the Bel Air 348 quickly earned respect among muscle car fans even before muscle cars officially existed. Another highlight was the ride quality. The 58 Bel Air introduced Chevrolet's new X-frame chassis, giving the car better stability and improved cornering compared to earlier models. It felt heavier on the road, in a good way, with a smooth, floating ride that reminded drivers that America knew how to build comfort. Inside the cabin, Chevrolet didn't hold back. The dashboard had stylish aluminum trim, the steering wheel was large and elegant, and the seats were wide enough to fit the whole family. There were options for power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and even a push-button radio, luxury features for that time. One thing that makes the 1958 Chevy Bel Air 348 even more special today is its rarity. 1958 was a transition year, and the 348 engine wasn't ordered by everyone because it was new and slightly expensive. So when collectors find a Bel Air with the original 348 big block, matching numbers, and original trim, they know they're looking at something genuinely valuable. For many people, this car represents the moment when Chevrolet stepped into a new era, the era of big block performance. Without the 348, there would be no legendary 409, number 427, no big block Chevys of the 60s that ruled drag strips and street races. In a way, the Bel Air 348 is the grandfather of all those famous muscle powerhouses. Even today, enthusiasts love the 1958 Bel Air for its one-year styling. Those beautiful tail fins, the sculpted body lines, the chrome accents, everything screams 1950s Americana. It's the kind of car that turns heads at car shows, not because it's the most powerful or the fastest, but because it has soul. It's a reminder of a time when cars had character, not just efficiency. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, especially a 348 equipped version, take a moment to appreciate its details. The rumble of the engine, the shine of the chrome, the artwork of the dashboard. Cars like this aren't built anymore. And they probably never will be again. So there you have it, the 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air 348, a rare combination of elegance and muscle, and one of the most important stepping stones in Chevrolet's performance history. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Og 765 for more classic car stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.